With silver prices nearly reaching all-time highs, there is no better time than the present to start investing by buying silver bullion bars. The savvy investor who buys silver makes an excellent purchase for their portfolio of assets. In tough economic times like the present, one of the best performing assets to have in an investment portfolio is silver, and it offers a number of unforeseen benefits. One of the main advantages of owning silver bullion bars is that they offer a way to protect assets with anonymity that many other investments do not offer. In an age of growing power by government bureaucrats who are seeking to tax as much wealth as they can get their hands on, silver offers the investor an opportunity to privately hold assets away from the prying eyes of government. This advantage is not seen in investments such as bonds, stocks, and real estate. By purchasing silver with cash money through a reputable dealer, an investor can maintain the privacy of their assets. Another benefit of silver is that it has never been worthless. Even now, as the electronics and computer industries are expanding worldwide, silver is enjoying a growth in its value because there are new uses for the metal being discovered. However, over the history of man, silver has always been considered a valuable asset to hold. In times of great economic and political turmoil, investors have experienced a complete loss of value in their paper investments, but precious metals like silver have never been worth zero. Taking these benefits into account, there are a few things to keep in mind when you're buying silver. The first thing to keep in mind is to stick with holding reputable brand names of bullion bars when you purchase silver. These are the easiest ones to purchase and sell on any market around the world. The most respected brands of silver bullion are the ingots minted by Engelhard, Wall Street Mint, Academy, and Johnson Matthey. Another thing to keep in mind when purchasing silver is to realize that bullion is available in bars from as small as 1 gram to as much as 1,000 troy ounces. The larger bars are usually very heavy and difficult to move, so it can be advantageous to hold silver in smaller bullion bars that can be easily concealed and transported. This allows the investor to maintain the privacy of their investment and to easily store the silver bullion in a variety of places. A final thing to keep in mind when purchasing silver is that there is always a small price charged over the price of silver that is called the premium. The premium is what silver bullion brokers charge to investors to cover their costs of operating in the silver exchange market. This should be taken into account when an investor decides on the amount of money they want to invest in silver. Failing to do this can result in an investor not getting exactly what they want from their investment. By keeping in mind the advantages of owning silver bullion bars and keeping the tips mentioned above in mind, an investor will be well prepared when the time comes to buy silver. Overall, there is no better investment to make than to buy precious metals. The prices and new uses that are being found for silver make it one of the best investments that any investor could make. To put things simply, silver is an indispensable asset that any savvy investor should own.